In this video, we are going to learn how to create this beautiful typography effect in Canva. At first, take a blank canvas. Now bring a subject in the canvas. You can take one from elements or you can upload your own image. Now go to apps and search for Typecraft. You can change the text from here. Now change the font to something bold and stylish. Now click on custom and then click on add to design. Now the main part. We have to change the shape of the text from this box to fit the shape of the subject. Point to be noted, after changing the shape from the editor box, we have to click on update element to apply changes. Okay, so now the text shape is almost matched with the paper's shape. After that, copy and paste the text to another page. Now go to elements again and then take a rectangle. Make the rectangle large enough to cover the entire text. Then send the rectangle behind the text. After that, double click on the text and change the color to white. Now we have to make the rectangle pure black. Next, download this page. After that, take the downloaded image to page 1. Now delete the old text. Select the image and click on background remover. This will erase the white part from the image. Now select the image again and click on edit. Then go to filters and under duotone click on custom and change the shadow color to white. Now adjust the text size and angle to match the shape of the paper. So this is how we can make this stunning typography effect in Canva. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.